Hi, it's Natasha. I want to introduce you my I Need a Rouge lip crayon. The I Need a Rouge lip crayon comes in the exact same formula as my very popular I Need a Nude lip crayons, and it comes in the two reds that are exactly color matched to the I Need a Rouge lip stiletto lipsticks, Emilia and Gigi. Gigi and me are going to apply now. I will apply Emilia, you will apply Gigi. And we'll show you how intense the pigmentation is. This formula is so amazing. It is actually transfer proof and waterproof, super long wearing. This formula is so soft, but at the same time also you still have full control in application. You can see how intense this pigmentation is. It is a very flexible formula and allows you to wear it all day long on your lips.
Oh, Natasha, this color is so beautiful, and also the matte look, it's amazing.
It's nice, yes. Okay, now we're gonna do the I Need a Rouge lip stiletto on top. I bet you never saw me with red lipstick before.
Wow.
But now you do.
Finally.
I love it. It's so beautiful. So this was our red lipstick application video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you love both shades and you will find yours.